Welcome back to our channel, fellow artists. Today we have a special character for you, one that's known for its fiery temper and distinctive look, the red angry bird. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw this iconic character in a 3/4 view, capturing the fiery spirit. So, grab your sketchbook and your favorite drawing tools and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics.
Hold the paper in portrait mode.
Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use oil pastels or acrylic colors or watercolors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. You can find the links to these products in the description below. This drawing is meant to develop your understanding of construction drawing, how to draw cartoon character, learn to create a form, improve your imagination and creative approach. For today's artistry trivia, do you know how many artworks Vincent van Gogh sold during his lifetime, despite the high value of his works today? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's begin with our drawing. To begin, let's create some basic shapes to guide us. Start by drawing a large circle for the bird's body and a smaller circle for the face. Draw a slanting rough line to connect the two circles, which will help indicating the body's angle. Now, let's add some circular gesture guidelines to help us capture the flow of our character. These will help us determine the placement of the body parts. Next, mark the areas where the limbs and beak will be. Remember, a red angry bird is on the move and filled with rage. So, sketch the arms in a dynamic position with one bend in the front and the other in the back to show their movement while walking. Let's outline the eyes and eyebrows to give a character that signature angry expression. These are key features that make the red angry bird instantly recognizable. Add the pupils to the eyes. Draw the eyebrows such that it gives a bird that intense, furious look. Draw the legs in a walking position with one leg in front and one in the back. Pay attention to the scales or features around the feet, as these details add authenticity to our character. Now, it's time to clean up our sketch. Erase the unwanted guidelines, leaving only the essential lines and shapes. Draw the characteristic hair on top of the head, which gives the red angry bird a unique look. Don't forget the tail. It's a short, feathery one. Outline the stomach area, give our character a clear distinction between the chest and belly. Lastly, it's time to add color. The red angry bird is red, so grab your red coloring tool and fill in the body. You can also add some shading and highlights to make your character pop even more. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Vincent van Gogh only sold one artwork during his lifetime. Shocking, isn't it? Let us know in the comments if you guessed it right. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.